It sounds nasty.
No, not as nasty as that.
What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. As the title suggests, we're gonna find out what's going on with my 2010 Camaro SS. If you guys remember last video, I let my best friend Bryce get behind the wheel to review it for a separate video that I'll be releasing next year at this point. Well, things took a bit of a turn. The car started to shake very violently and frankly just a little bit in a concerning way. Today we're gonna go to VPS Racing, gonna go ahead and lift it up, maybe take it for a quick drive, see what's going on, and then hopefully we'll get a diagnostics that won't break the bank. So we don't even have to get on the highway to start noticing what the problem is. After around 40 miles per hour, when I give it some load, it appears that the shaking originates from really that area. Giving it a slight rev, I don't really feel like it's anything out of the ordinary, so maybe motor mounts is not the thing. The other thing that it could be is perhaps a transmission bolt that's loose. Yeah, man, it's shaking so aggressively. Yeah, you guys can hear that, right? But it only happens, and it's only really noticeable under some heavy load. Oh, look at this right here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I think that's a GT4 RS. But look at this, guys. Just get it, listen to this. Again, it really just feels like something is stuck or something is broken. Let's go ahead and find out. We are now in the car with the Pro.
Oh my god.
Dump it?
Ya, se le quita. Acelera. No, sin de esto, el motor nada más.
Okay.
Manténlo como 4000. Whatever here.
I think so. So there's second. There's third, fourth, and then fifth. But yeah, it's pretty bad.
No, it's really bad, bro.
It wasn't that bad, like, I mean, it was like shaking, but not...
No, this one now it's like, it's a lot. We drove it, we disengaged the clutch, and it was like riding smoothly. So it has to be something with the clutch, transmission, something, the shaft.
Rev it a little bit.
.3, boy. Hello. Boy got a parachute, dude. He's running. Look at that. That's what I call work. Whipple. And here we have a ZL1 1LE doing some major engine work. This is actually Deadpool 1LE's car. I'm not going to show you or get into the details because I'm pretty sure he wants it to be a surprise for his content and his fan base. This is the type of work that they do here, and his car literally moves. There she goes. Damn. Still hear it. That's so lit. So this is actually really interesting. I don't think I've seen the new G82 M4s in a cabriolet. And this one's spec'd out nicely with red interior. Oh, that is nice. She looks good here in the shop, bro. She needs to do some work.
She needs to be out in the sun.
Nah, man. She needs to do some upgrades. So then.
What do you spend on maintenance, bro? Like...
I mean, over 6 years. I want to say. Okay. All right. That's not good. Oh shit! Look at this, guys.
I went too hard, guys.
Yo, yeah. Completely snapped, man. Could that really cause all that?
Yeah.
Bro, all the dry case is loose.
Something was loose.
Bro, ain't no way. I'm never letting this dude drive my car again, bro. It could have been a lot worse. Like when he said, I feel it from the back diff, I'm like, sell the car. What do you have to say, bro?
Hey, man, you gotta drive that shit hard, man.
Yes. Ten speed, right? Yeah, yeah. Damn, with the digital dash right there. Damn. Oh, now we're putting on a show. All right, guys, so let's step back into the vehicle and experience it ourselves. Yo! Oh yeah, it feels wonderful, guys. So much better. It's really incredible how that one piece, that one little piece just compromised the entire integrity of the drive. So you guys can see that there's a lot of lights going on in my dash right now. The red one up top is going to be from the Recaro seats that I haven't done the sensor swap on it yet. The check engine light is going to be from the straight pipe setup that I have not yet tuned, which, by the way, I just spoke with the shop owner at VPS and he had said that we could work something out to do some tuning on it. And then last but not least, that is the tire sensor that I guess one of the sensors, I think from the wheel on this side, is going out. Dude, what the hell? Oh, it's an SRT? Okay.
Hey man, my bad.
Hey, it sounds nasty.
No, not as nasty as that.
Straight piped.
No, this is just tuned with an exhaust since I've had it since 06.
Oh man, really?
But that shit sounds nasty.
Thank you, man. Drive safe.
Hey, yo! Got the GoPro?
Hell yeah.
Hey, what channel is gonna be on?
That's my Instagram. You'll find the YouTube there.
Alright.
You got it?
Big TV, Aspirated. Alright.
Damn, I got cream. Damn it. that's basically what was wrong with the Camaro SS. Luckily, we dodged a pretty big bullet. When it comes to shaking, violent shaking after driving very aggressively, that could be many things. Luckily, it was just that little bolt. If you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.